Hello, Kindred Spirits. We are putting winter away. And I'll see you in October. And now, let's celebrate the second annual opening of the window for spring. Welcome to Serenity, Peace, and Comfort. Well, this poor guy did not survive the winter. We've got to get to a gardening store, stat. Even though it's spring, it's still chilly out. Let's throw on a sweatshirt and go to the garden shop. So we're here at the garden center, picking up some replacement plants, some African violets. And while I'm here, I'm going to just pick up a few little flowers to put on my parents' grave. They're not too far from here, and every spring I like to freshen up their plots. And just so you know, it's not about worshiping the dead. That's not what this is about. I go to my parents' grave sites not to grieve, but just to honor them, honor their memory, honor their generation, honor their place as my mother and father. And so, yeah, we're just going to go and put some flowers there for them. I do that every spring. So let's go. Let's go pick up some African violets. They do really well in my apartment. And we're going to buy some oak grass for Felicity and Caleb. Much better. first, let's clean out the inside. Now she's all clean, and now let's deal with some of these stains here, and hopefully this will help. And we're going to soften her up with some leather milk. Let's see if we can just clean up some of the metal and hardware. And here we are. Look at how beautiful she is. Let me pull this back for you so you can see. And here we are. Look at her. What an improvement. Isn't she pretty? She's all set to go back in the closet. A summer's rest, and you can't even see where there were salt stains. It looks wonderful. It's very important, I believe, that we are good stewards of whatever God gives us, because if we are, He can trust us with more. Everything is new in spring. Thank you for joining me, Kindred Spirits, as we put winter away. And now we welcome spring. I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'll see you soon. God bless.